Chapter 2: The Negative Impacts of Media Addiction. In this video, we'll talk about the negative impacts of media addiction. It is increasingly popular to find people checking and scrolling through their phones or PCs to get regular updates of events across the world. Moreover, with various news media having social media profiles, many people depend on these platforms as their source of updates on events across the globe. There is nothing wrong with leveraging the global reach of social media for news updates or business. Nonetheless, it is problematic when you cannot do without these platforms. Moreover, console games and other devices are excellent relaxation tools. However, it is also a challenge if you find it difficult to detach from your devices for games. Unreasonable use of your digital devices can affect you negatively. This chapter explores these adverse effects. Weak interpersonal relationships. Undue attachment to your devices will affect your interpersonal relationships. Living your life more in the digital world can be disastrous as a parent or romantic partner. A perfect example of this maladaptive behavior is Andy Murray, a famous professional tennis player. In 2009, his coach Brad Gilbert explained that Murray's girlfriend left him because he was spending almost 7 hours daily playing video games. His superstar status was not enough to save his relationship. Many people think money and fame are all they need to sustain a marital relationship. However, this isn't true. In the same way, parenting demands more than financial responsibility. Relationships demand quality time and attention. Giving someone your time is a demonstration of genuine love and affection. Addiction to your devices will ruin your interpersonal relationships because it will prevent you from giving your loved ones the requisite attention. Besides, you cannot build a robust relationship bond without spending time with them. Procrastination. Many wonderfully crafted quotes on procrastination exist. According to Mark Twain, never put off till tomorrow what you can do today. In a practical sense, this quote implies that you shouldn't waste time. You shouldn't wait until the next hour when you can do something right now. Meanwhile, you need excellent time management skills to achieve your goals in life. Moreover, procrastination will ensure that you do things in a hurry, which doesn't bode well for your efficiency. Meanwhile, a major source of time wasting in the modern world is digital devices. Social media platforms are full of juicy updates from your favorite users. If you're not careful, your intention to spend 15 minutes can easily become an hour. 1 hour can quickly become 2, and you'll end up shifting what you need to do to other times. This behavior can affect your plan for meetings, thereby making you late and ill-prepared for group discussions or presentations. Average job performance. When you don't regulate the way you use your devices, you'll struggle to perform at an optimal level at work. It will be challenging for you to exemplify excellent work ethics, such as punctuality and meeting deadlines. Besides, you'll have divided attention when working, which will affect your effectiveness. Your focus is critical to excellent performances in every life endeavor. So, you need to learn to keep your phone or tablet at bay when working. Average job performance will limit your chances of being recommended for higher roles. Moreover, you can only dream of earning accolades like the Employee of the Year when you struggle to maintain your focus at work. Excellence belongs to people who keep their gaze on their personal and professional objectives. In the long run, social media addiction can earn you a sack letter. It can make you lose coveted positions if you don't curb it. It presents you as an immature individual who isn't fit for sensitive roles. Poor work-life balance. You can only have an excellent work-life balance when you leave your work at the office. Leaving your work at the office still applies to remote workers who work from home. It implies that you'll focus on your work during work periods without distractions. In the same way, you'll not allow your job demands to affect your relationship with the people in your life. You'll not keep reminding your kids how busy you are when they want to spend time with you. Meanwhile, a fantastic work-life balance isn't feasible when you distract yourself with digital devices while at work. You'll end up needing more time to meet your job demands. Needing more time to complete your professional tasks will make you work during the periods you ought to spend time with your family. If this behavior persists, it will strain your relationships. Lack of focus. It can be very challenging to maintain your focus in the modern world. So many things are seeking your attention at the same time. Even when you're surfing the internet, you get various unsolicited adverts and suggestions. Besides, many websites are leveraging artificial intelligence to offer you personalized experiences. Therefore, you'll easily find things you'll find exciting on the internet. Nonetheless, you cannot afford to give your attention to everything you find attractive. You must be able to choose to read a tantalizing article some other time when you're less busy. However, this approach is easier said than done. Many people are fond of responding to chats or checking out exquisite images online during work hours. Some people would be checking their phones while having physical interactions with their friends. This lack of focus will affect your job performance and weaken the bond of your interpersonal relationships. Low-quality social interactions. It is prevalent to find people replacing physical interactions with virtual ones in recent times. Some people deceive themselves by saying that they have many friends because of the numerous people they chat with online. Physical interactions have elements you can never replicate in virtual conversations. For example, maintaining eye contact and leveraging body language is absent in most online interactions. Anyone can be assertive when discussing with someone they can't see physically. Many people who have friends on social media platforms struggle to start or maintain friendships with the people around them. Besides, spending a lot of time on your phone or in front of your PC will make it challenging to attend outdoor events. You'll have excuses for family picnics, friend hangouts, and other excellent platforms where you can bond with others. Using digital devices irresponsibly will also affect your time management skills, which can prevent you from creating time for outdoor events. Physical health, dieting, and regular exercise. Eating balanced diets consistently and regular exercise isn't for nerds or weird people. It takes discipline and commitment, and it all begins with excellent time management skills. When you've self-control, you'll be able to restrict the time you spend on your devices. This discipline will enable you to create time for maintaining good eating habits and regular exercise. When you spend excessive time in the digital world, you'll only eat whatever you find. You'll not be able to make good feeding plans. Procrastination due to excessive digital devices use will also affect the way you exercise. You'll keep shifting the time you're supposed to spend taking a walk or hitting the gym. Meanwhile, poor feeding habits and a lack of regular exercise will affect your physical health. Remember that you'll only make the doctor richer when you don't take care of your health. So, it is imperative to detach from your screens to have time to take care of yourself. Sleep. Social media addicts have a culture of sleeping late. They also often wake up early to check their phones. Besides, excessive exposure to your phone and PC screen can affect your sleep because of the light from these devices. Meanwhile, a lack of quality sleep, just like exercise and food, will affect your physical health. You need to sleep well to wake up full of vitality and vigor for your daily tasks. It isn't a good thing to feel jaded and exhausted because you have a poor sleeping habit.